Hello everyone, we have seen this problem in our computer telling you that you are now offline, authentication needed. This is issue faced by the ARCHICAD 25 users where it happens when you open cracked ARCHICAD 21 with internet connected computer. Remember, if you are using ARCHICAD 21 cracked one, you have to disconnect your internet when you are working with it. That is the prevention. But if you have already faced with this problem that require you to make sign in to your Microsoft ID account to continue to save your work, there is possible solution to escape this problem. So let me open 25 ARCHICAD and show you how the issue look like. So when you try to open ARCHICAD continue to recent projects, you may face this problem. The solution is there. Yes, the possible solution of this issue, you have to make open with. When you want to open the previous work, make open with ARCHICAD 25. It will work properly if you try to do like this. Go to your location of this project and then make open with. It will work properly. But if you try to open program, it will not work. You see my project has been opened successfully. You can make save, you can do some works and try to save to show you that it is working properly. Go to save and let me make save as to show you that there is no issue. I will get my project where I save. Go to computer, document, call it be opened by ARCHICAD 21. Then close. Go to my saved file location, save the document, be open. You see the file has been successfully saved. Once you want to open the new project, how can you do work with this ARCHICAD without making an installation and reinstallation? I may open first with other version of ARCHICAD, new project. Then cancel this recent projects. Create new project. Then go to save as. In the document, yes. Let me call it second version. "25 arch." Then save, close this version. Go to your final location, document, second version, make opening after 25. Migration of Libra. See how it can work with it properly without facing those issues. I can save my work and close it. Go to the document. This is the recovered version and this is the new version. See, the version of this is 25 while recovered file is 25. It means that you remain with 25 version and the new version of 25. I think that you are seeing this possible solution of this issue. The other solution is to make an installation of this software and then go to everything, search all features. Then select all up to here. Then treat it. Make treat. Thank you very much for your work.